Let's create a ground plane and set up the render scene. I'll show you how to mix two render images by using Blender's composite feature. Please watch a tutorial listed in the description to match my final render settings, as I'm using a cloned Look Dev HDRI setting. We'll be using Eevee. Let's go to the Compositing tab, and connect the image node. This is our primary render image, and we'll use the glow render image from the previous tutorial as the second render image. Let's start to add the nodes. I'll share the fully zoomed nodes shortly. Basically, we're loading the second render image to mix with the current render image. The nodes can be used on both Eevee and cycles. Let's open the previously rendered image file. F12 to render. These are the two images we'll mix. I'll show you how to turn black color into transparent alpha as well. The transparency mix nodes I'm about to share can be used for a lot of things. This is for people who won't use an external applications like Photoshop or Krita. Let's work on the final transparency mix nodes. I'll share the fully zoomed nodes shortly. The transparency setting can fully be customized when we use the color ramp sliders for black and white. This was a tutorial on how we mix two images, and even allow the second image to have a transparency alpha setting by using nodes. Here are the full nodes. This is the end of the tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.